Hello and welcome to jbjs.org. Today I would like to explain how to use the basic search and advanced search features of the website in order to maximize the relevance of your search results. The main search bar, which appears at the top of the home page as well as at the top of each subspecialty page, allows you to perform a general basic search at any time. For example, if you wanted to do a general search for complications related to total knee arthroplasty, simply type in TKA complications and click on the magnifying glass icon. Note that the type ahead function suggests possible search terms as you type. The resulting search, which relies on a robust algorithm and underlying taxonomy of orthopedic terms, quickly yields more than 2,000 related articles, approximately 70 videos, more than 5,000 images across all JBJS products. Note that the search will return not only articles including the actual search term TKA, but also articles including synonyms such as total knee arthroplasty. By default, the search results are sorted according to relevancy, although it is also possible to resort the results according to date of publication and author name using the sort order control. Once you have done your initial search across all products, it is possible to filter your results according to product. For example, if you were only interested in case reports of complications related to TKA, you would simply click on the downward arrow under Journals, leave Case Connector selected, unselect the other products, and hit Save. This filtered search yields more than 100 relevant case reports, 4 videos, more than 300 images, as well as other related content. If you are searching for an exact phrase, simply enclose your search terms in quotation marks. For example, if you wanted to search for the exact phrase human leukocyte antigen, simply enclose that term in quotation marks and then click on the magnifying glass. The resulting search yields more than 50 hits across all products. If you then wish to see where the term appears in a specific article, simply click on the article and use the Find function by clicking on Alt-F to expose the Find box. As you type the term into the Find box, every instance of the term is highlighted throughout the article. Now let's take a look at the advanced search feature. If you wish to do a more specific search using multiple criteria, simply click on the advanced search icon below the main search bar. The advanced search builder page allows you to tailor your search according to your specific needs. I will first run through the different sections of the advanced search page and then we'll perform a sample search. In the keywords section, you can enter your terms into one or more fields, all fields, title, author, abstract, full text, volume, and issue. In the content type section, radio bullets allow you to specify the type of content you are looking for: articles, videos, images, webinars, audios, education, or clinical summaries. In the subspecialty section, checkboxes allow you to select one or more subspecialty areas of interest. In the journals section, checkboxes allow you to select one or more of our 6 journals. Finally, in the publication date section, you can search across all dates, the current issue, the last 12 months, or a specific date range. Now let's run a sample search. Suppose that you wanted to look for a basic science article by Dr. Bauer that appeared in JBJS sometime during the 1990s. Simply type in the author's name into the author field, select basic science in the subspecialty field, select JBJS in the journals field, and enter the date range in the publication date field. The resulting search quickly yields 5 relevant hits. We hope this overview of our search function has been helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions for improvement, please send us your thoughts through the Give Feedback button, which appears at the bottom of the search results page. We welcome your feedback and will do our best to respond to your question personally in a timely manner. Thank you.